Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add multiple audio tracks in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches and you can see the main interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu bar at the very top. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. In this drop-down menu, hover your mouse over Import. This will open a submenu to the side with different import options available. From this submenu, click on Audio. This option allows you to bring external audio files into your Audacity project, which is essential when you want to work with multiple tracks at once. After clicking Audio, a file browser window will pop up on your screen. Now here's where you can select all the audio files you want to add to your project at the same time. To do this, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While holding Control, click on each audio file you want to include. This lets you select multiple files in one go without having to import them individually. Once you've selected all the files you need, click the Open button at the bottom of the file browser window. This will begin importing all your selected audio tracks into Audacity. Now you'll need to wait for a few seconds while Audacity loads and processes your audio files. The time this takes depends on the size and number of files you're importing, so just be patient. You'll see each audio track appear in the workspace as horizontal waveforms stacked on top of each other. Once all your tracks are fully loaded and visible, you're ready for the next step. With all your audio tracks now in Audacity, head back to the upper left corner and click on Select in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on All. This will highlight and select every audio track you've just imported, allowing you to apply changes to all of them at once. This is a crucial step when you want to organize or mix multiple tracks together. Next, in the top toolbar, click on Tracks. This will open another drop-down menu with various track management options. Hover your mouse over Align Tracks, and a submenu will appear to the side. From this submenu, click on Align End to End. What this does is arrange all your selected audio tracks so they play one after the other in sequence rather than overlapping or playing simultaneously. This is especially useful if you're creating a playlist or a continuous audio project. Now, if you want to combine all these tracks into a single audio file, go back to the top toolbar and click on Tracks again. This time, hover your mouse over Mix, which will bring up another submenu. From this submenu, select Mix and Render. This option takes all your separate audio tracks and merges them into one unified track. It's perfect when you want to finalize your project or simplify your workspace by consolidating everything into a single layer. And there you have it. You've successfully added and arranged multiple audio tracks in Audacity, and you've learned how to mix them into a single track. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.